back to our YouTube channel. I am Sasari Lochana and
my name is Chaminda Jayasekara.
This video is about our newly introduced IoT project, and from now you can learn about our project. We are here to introduce our new IoT project. It is a smart parking system. So we use PIR sensor and ultrasonic sensors and ESP32 board and a servo motor basically to build up this system. You can see this is the PIR sensor, these are ultrasonic sensors, this is the ESP board, and this is the servo motor we used. Now I will explain how these components are used in our system. This PIR sensor is used to detect motion, and these two ultrasonic sensors are used to detect that there is an object or not, and these LED lights are used to indicate the slot state, and this ESP32 board is used to control the system.
So now I will briefly explain how this parking system works. So basically, when a car arrives, the PIR sensor detects there is a motion, then the gate will be automatically open. But the thing is, the gate will be automatically open only if there is a one or more parking slots available. Because if all parking slots are reserved or all the slots are occupied, then the gate will not be open. And the thing is, you can see the parking slot is occupied or free by using this LED board. The green LED is lighten up when the slot is free, and there is a blue LED lighten up for if the slot is reserved, and there is a red LED if the slot is occupied. So basically this is the parking system, and there is a software also. So in the software you can see there are two free parking slots, and you can see the slots are free and you can reserve a slot. Now once you put an object in front of the ultrasonic sensor, you can see suddenly the slot status change into occupied, and you can reserve a slot if you want. You can reserve the slot and the LED status will be also changed. And in the software there are another two buttons to open the gate and close the gate, and there is another button to view or cancel reservations. So from this you can see if there are any reservations are available, and if you want to cancel a reservation, you can use this to cancel those reservations. So as you can see on the screen now, there are a lot of reservations, and if you want to cancel this specific reservation, you can click on that and click cancel selected reservation. So this is all about this software and the hardware part. So let's move on to the how we code this and how this software is really work.
Now you can see the both slots are free now. So I will explain how you can reserve a parking slot. So you can simply press the reserve button, and you can see a dialog box. In that enter name and email address, and you can click confirm reservation. Now you can see your slot is reserved, and also you can see in the LED board the blue light is lighting up, and also you can cancel your reservation. So you can click the cancel button and press yes. Now you can see in the LED board again the green light is lighting up.
So in this project, so the software part we use Python Tkinter to create the GUI, and we use Arduino software to program the ESP module, and for the IoT part we use Adafruit IO. So
this is about our project, and this is a simple prototype of our project. So
this project will be awesome, I think, and I have an idea to make it more advanced, and there are a lot of projects coming on. So I hope you guys really like this project, and if you like, put a like, or if you have any ideas, put a comment, and then we hope you all subscribe to our channel, and thank you for all your time.